Hello student, I have started chapter 4 of class 8, that is materials, metals and non-metals. The property of metals by which they can be beaten into thin sheets is called malleability. Metals are good conductors while non-metals are poor conductor. The property by which it can be drawn into wires are called ductility. Metal produces ringing sound, they are said to be sonorous. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Oxide of non-metal are acidic in nature. Mg plus HCl give you MgCl2 plus H2. Al plus HCl give you AlCl3 plus H2. Fe plus HCl give you FeCl2 plus H2. Copper plus HCl gives no reaction. Sulfur plus HCl gives no reaction. Mg plus H2SO4 gives MgSO4 plus H2. Aluminium plus H2SO4 gives Al2SO4 whole thrice plus H2. Copper plus H2SO4 gives you copper sulfate plus sulfur dioxide plus water. Sulfur plus sulfuric acid gives you sulfur dioxide plus water. Charcoal plus H2SO4 gives you CO2 plus SO2 plus H2O. Now what you see, the reaction with metals with acid give you hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas, you keep a matchstick on the test tube, you will see the pop sound of hydrogen. So that is shows that it gives the hydrogen gas. Non-metals doesn't react with acid. Now comes displacement reaction. A, B, C, D, E are 5 beakers. In beaker A you take copper sulfate and zinc. In beaker B you take copper sulfate and iron. In beaker C you take zinc sulfate and copper. In beaker D you take iron sulfate and copper. In beaker E you take zinc sulfate and iron. What will happen? Zinc will replace copper sulfate and zinc sulfate you will get, and copper is left behind. Iron will replace copper and copper will left behind, you will get iron sulfate. Copper is not able to replace zinc, copper is not able to replace iron, iron is not able to replace zinc. What happens? Zinc is more reactive than iron and copper. Iron is more reactive than copper, copper is least reactive. So zinc is able to replace iron and copper, iron is able to replace copper, but copper is not able to replace zinc and iron. Now comes the uses of metals and non-metals. Metals are used in machinery, automobiles, aeroplanes, trains, satellite, industrial gadget and cooking utensils. Non-metals are used, we inhale oxygen, that is the use of non-metal. Fertilizers, water purification, antiseptic and cracker.